Huh?
Put your tongue down. Let me see if I can see it.
I can't guarantee you I don't know what year that
Where the penny is. Where did the penny go? Is it in your tummy?
Boy,
You want me to see it with the camera? I can't see it, John. Hold on, Sarah. Is it already in your tummy?
yeah, yeah.
You feel it?
No,
But you swallowed it.
it, we get a plane.
And it won't come out, will it?
It's right.
Yes. I'm looking to see if I can see the penny. Is it right here on your chest? Or is it in your tummy?
Right here?
Is that where it is? In your tummy? Okay.
Don't see it.
Here, we can't. Here, let's hold this back further. It's in your tummy?
See? Let us see. Let us see.
Point where you think the penny is.
Click.
It's click? And you shook your head and it won't come out, right? Penny won't come out?
Yes. No point. No one point. No point.
Okay. Let's see what Daddy said.
He says it's okay, just watch it bring some
This
pain
one.
throwing up.
Let's
He's calling Disney.